The network menu is used to configure your FTP and SMTP servers according to the way you want to send some data on a server or by email, like the reports, for instance. For example, add a new FTP server by clicking this link, fill in the form with your own FTP parameters, and that's it. Same thing if you want to add a SMTP server. In the maintenance windows, you have different elements. First, an analyzer's view which provides basic information on the Agardio Manager devices. If you enter one device, you get access to the CPU and RAM usage, CPU and internal temperature, but also the size of the databases used for the exploitation, the events, and the configuration. The basic information gives an indication about the capability of the gateway. In case of any issues, you will get an alarm linked to this diagnosis. You have also access to the field bus that shows you all the devices activated in the Modbus RTU. It means for this Agardio Manager gateway, you have 16 products that communicate and 149 measuring data are stored out of more than 616. All this information exists for each Agardio Manager linked to Stream. Good to know. You can remotely update the firmware of each Agardio Manager. To do so, you must import the update file. The data import is also an important maintenance feature. In the case you have an Agardio Manager running for a long time, whereas Stream is newly installed, you can import the historical data of the Agardio Manager into Stream to benefit from all this data. Security Audit is a tracker of all changes in the configuration, like the access, a new user, a new device, etc. Last point, the deployment tasks provide you with the status of all tasks executed by Stream, like sending a report or adding a new device.